you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to start dropshipping without Shopify. While Shopify is one of the best e-commerce platforms, there are other platforms that you can use, and there's even one that you can use for completely free to start making some money dropshipping. The platform that I'm talking about is none other than Equid. With Equid, not only will you be able to start selling for completely free, but you can use their free plan forever, as you can see right here. The only pullback with the Equid free plan is you will only be able to list 5 items. But with the free plan, you'll be able to add different payment options and you'll be able to start making some money online. To get started, you're going to need to go onto equid.com. From there, you can create an account using your email address. Once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, what I want you to do first is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to scroll down, and right where you see apps, you're going to select App Market. After selecting App Market, from here you can tap on Dropshipping from the left-hand menu option. After selecting dropshipping, the app that I want you to use is Dropshipping if you are planning to source products from AliExpress. If it is a case that you would like to create a print-on-demand website, you could select Printful, as you can see right here. And there are other apps that you can also use, but majority of these apps you would need to go onto a paid plan to use them. So I'm showing you apps that you can use for completely free to source products and to get started on your dropshipping journey. So we're going to select Dropshipping. From here, you would select Install App. After you have installed the app, you're going to tap on Open App. Once you have opened the app, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to tap on Find Product. Then you're going to select Imported Products. After you have done that, right where you see the search bar right here, you can simply paste in your AliExpress product URL. So for example, I went onto AliExpress and I would like to add this product onto my store. All I'll need to do is simply tap on the URL section, then tap on Copy. Once I've copied it, I'm going to go back into Dropshipping, and I'm going to paste in the URL right there, then tap on Import Product. After you have tapped on Import Product, you're going to give it a few seconds. Then you can see the product has been imported right there. Now all you'll need to do is simply tap on Listed to Store. After you have tapped on Listed to Store, you'll see a pop-up appear, and from here you can see the different variants. You can also tap on images and you can see the mock-up images right there. You could also tap on product and you'll be able to edit the product title. So some of the time I like to cut down on the length of the product title. So you can do that. You can also edit the description in this section if you want. Once you're finished, you'll tap on List It Now. After tapping on List It Now, you can see please enter your selling price. So I'm going to enter my selling price real quick. At the moment, it is listed at you can see 99 cents for it, and you can see the shipping cost. So let's say, for example, I were to sell it for $20. Then tap on List It Now. Once it has been listed, I'll show you what to do next. So you're going to give it a few seconds for the product to be added to your store. So you can see that it has been added right there. Now all we'll need to do, we could tap on View It on Store. After you have tapped on View It on Store, you can see how it looks right there. So this is how the listing looks. So you can see that the product page looks very professional. Now we are going to go back into our Equid dashboard. Once on the Equid dashboard, you could go over to the left-hand menu option. You could hover over Catalog, then tap on Products. And from here, you will be able to see the product that you have added. Another thing that you can also do is by scrolling down once on the left-hand menu option, what I want you to do is you're going to hover over Design and you're going to select Design. From here, you'll be able to start editing the product page. So for example, you can choose the size of the product images, whether you like them to be large, medium, or small. So you can start customizing how the product page looks. And you can see you can change the image and video aspect ratio. You can also scroll down if you like to darken image backgrounds, you can do that. You can edit the product cart details and so on, as you can see right there. Would you like to show the product name? If you don't want to show the name, or if you like to only show the name on mouse hover, you can do that. You can show the product price, or you can hide the product price, as you can see right there. You can also hide the buy now button if you want, or you can choose to show it by tapping on show right there. There are numerous options you can choose from on how to customize your pages, as you can see right here. After you have customized your page, all you'll need to do now is tap on payment from the left-hand menu option. From here, you'll be able to connect your PayPal account. You can also scroll down, and depending on the country you are located in, you can tap on choose payment method, and you can add additional payment methods, as you can see right here. You can also tap right here and you can choose different payment processors. So you can see that there are numerous payment options that you can select and add to your store. Once you have added these options, all you'll need to do now, you can view your store, or you can simply go right here and you could tap on SEO, for example, and you can edit your store, and you can see that in the future you can upgrade. You can tap right here to buy a domain name. Now if you would like to tap right here where you see site appearance, you could tap there. After tapping on that, you'll be redirected to the editor page. From here, you'll be able to edit the header and menu section. You'll also be able to tap on store, and you can edit your storefront right here. So you can change the design by tapping on design. You can tap on background, and you could change the background color. So we could tap on the color box right there. And let's say we would like to change the background color. You can do that quite quickly, as you can see right there. Another thing that you can also do, if we were to tap on back, you can also tap right where you see customer reviews, and you could edit that section. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on publish in the top right hand corner. Then you can tap on view store. So this is how my store looks at the moment. And if I were to tap on shop now, once on shop now, I'll be redirected to this page. Then you can see the listing that we have added right there. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.